Having a baby in the house means always worrying about them getting hurt, especially on the fireplace. This is a handy guard that we're going to install right now to protect those little baby heads. Let me show you everything you get with your kit so you know exactly what you're going to be working with. First of all, you're going to get this double-sided tape. It's clear and it works just like a 3M tape. You're going to get 2 corner pieces. This goes on the ends. You're going to get 4 of the middle pieces. It's going to go right over the edge. Just take a measurement of your fireplace area. It's easy to cut these off so they fit perfectly. These are really nice, thick, and cushiony, and this part is very soft. It's like a neoprene, like a swimsuit is. Very soft and cushy, great for baby's face. We're going to start by taking an alcohol wipe and wiping down the entire fireplace so that we get better adhesion. I have these really handy alcohol wipes, so easy to use. Don't overlook wiping down the edges. Pay attention to the right and left-hand side because you don't want to accidentally put the wrong side on. If you have the right side, it'll fit directly over the corner area. Once you've cleaned it with alcohol, it's very simple to install. If you don't want to use the tape, you don't have to. You can certainly leave it there like that, but it is likely to move around. I'm going to start by placing each of these across the hearth so I can make sure that everything fits properly. Unfortunately for me, mine fits perfectly, so I won't have to do any cutting. Take your wipe again, your alcohol, and clean the inside of this. It won't damage this in any way. Be sure and put some around the rims. Do that across all of them, cleaning with alcohol and then applying your tape. Once you've applied your stickers to all of the boards, then you're going to go back to your original one. You're going to start at the corner square. We're going to remove the top layer. The entire setup is super easy to do. Will only take you about 10 minutes if you don't have to cut. If you have to cut, it's going to take a little bit longer. Be sure and measure your space because you may need to buy 2 kits to make it fit all the way across your fireplace. Now you're going to abut it right against the edge. Push it back as far as it'll go, and then you're going to press hard to seal it on there. Don't mess with it again once you've applied it. Same with this one. Continue on in that same manner, moving all the way down your fireplace. Push it against the previous one. Make sure you push it all the way back. Make sure it's abutted all the way. And go across the fireplace exactly like that until you get to the end. One thing you should note is that you do want to make sure you do a good job pressing everything down so that the adhesive does have a chance to set up. Once you have all the adhesive done and it's set up overnight, you've got a beautiful fireplace covering that's going to protect your little ones. It's super easy to clean. You can wipe it clean with the cloth without ruining it. And when you're done in a few years, put the hairdryer on it. It'll come right up. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. You'll feel so much more comfortable knowing that your little ones are protected. It's so easy to do. You can have this done in just minutes.